I was pulling my 6-year-old daughter Jillian on the toboggan at the farm. Her brother Casey, a year and a half older, was walking alongside. And out of the blue, Jillian, in her characteristically exuberant and spontaneous manner, said, "Daddy, what are you going to be when you grow up?" I was nearly 40 at the time. 2 years later, Casey's class was giving a concert to a group. And desiring to know if he should invite me, he said, "Dad, are you a senior citizen?" In the space of 2 years, I'd apparently grown considerably older. My friends, I'd like to tell you 3 things to avoid to slow down the aging process: horses, hospitals, and airplanes.